This is the Ukraine, bordered by Russia to the east and northeast, Belarus to the northwest, Poland, Slovakia, and Hungary to the west, Romania and Moldova to the southwest, and the Black Sea and Sea of Azov to the south and southeast. It is the largest country contained entirely within Europe. Recently, this nation has been plunged into further turmoil that has created international economic impacts. Rising tensions have led Putin to do away with selling the Ukraine discounted natural gas. Russia, the world's largest exporter of the vital resource, currently supplies the Ukraine with more than 60% of its fuel needs. However, because of the Ukraine's geographic location, Russia also relies on Ukrainian pipelines to move 53% of its natural gas exports to customers in Europe. This geopolitical conflict has created a new barrier to entry for Russia into the European fuel market. New costs have been incurred now that Russia must find new routes for shipping its natural gas. This has caused the price of Russian natural gas to rise sharply, which naturally creates a drop in demand. Because of this, European countries are beginning to look for substitute goods. The crisis has turned out to be a positive externality for American natural gas companies because they can now compete with Russia's prices. The international market for natural gas has become more competitive. This is all occurring just in time for the United States to really capitalize on its production possibility curve pushing new extraction method, hydraulic plate fracturing, or fracking for short. Environmental groups worry that if the United States escalates fracking, the environmental consequences could be dire, while economists predict if the United States can step up its natural gas exports, it could expect to see trillions of dollars worth of growth. The U.S. government may have to intervene to mitigate the negative environmental externalities, but it will also risk giving up much-needed economic growth.